Welcome to our world. For mining and landscaping, to agriculture and manufacturing, our polyester non-woven products are the strength inside. Our promise is simple: better products, better prices, faster delivery, and a local understanding. We have more than 10 facilities across Indonesia, each using world-leading European machinery to bring you the highest quality results available. And when your order rolls off the line, we'll get it to you faster with a seamless delivery network that covers the country. Our polyester non-woven products are used in millions of ways by 240 million people in Indonesia alone every day. Non-woven fabrics are made from crimped short fibre bonded together. Its functions include enhancing absorbency, stretch, softness and strength, creating acoustic or thermal insulation, improving washability, filtration and cushioning, protecting by repelling liquid or as a bacterial barrier, and acting as a flame retardant. They're found at the core of Indonesia's major industries, helping to make everything from insulation for top quality jackets for the world's leading brands, roof insulation, roads to mines reinforced by our non-woven geotextiles, drainage for golf and landscaping, automotive products, roads, railways, infrastructure, to name but a few. We also work on major government projects, helping to build the Indonesia of tomorrow. As the national economy grows and diversifies, we do too. And our people are leading the way. There are 2,000 of them across the country, the Hilon family. Our success is their success. So we work to identify future leaders, helping them achieve their full potential. They've built Hilon into the respectful, successful company that's at your service today. That's a little glimpse into our world, a world where your business, our country, and its people can all thrive. Hilon, the strength inside.